So let me ask you this. Do you find yourself constantly coughing? Because that's going around. There are so many reasons apparently so many things that are causing that cough. But when do you see your doctor? I ask that of a man.
Well,
when do you see a doctor, which is a whole other
when it's
conversation.
appropriate to see the doctor, certainly. And our senior health correspondent, Monica Robbins, gives us a quiz on how to tell what kind of cough you have and when you should seek help.
American Family Care put together a quiz to help you get to the bottom of why you're coughing. First, how long have you been coughing? Less than 3 weeks, between 3 to 8 weeks, or more than 8 weeks? How would you describe your cough? Does it include symptoms of cold or flu, a lingering cough slowly improving, or a chronic cough with little variation? And finally, what do your symptoms include? Common cold or flu-like symptoms? The symptoms worsened after cold, flu, or COVID? Or persistent coughing without recent illness? If you chose mostly A's, you're dealing with an acute cough.
Cold, flu, COVID, sometimes like, the strep throat, sinuses.
That's when you can visit an urgent care for testing and treatment. Same for that lingering cough. You may need a chest x-ray to check for bronchitis or pneumonia. If that cough gets worse, causes trouble breathing, you're coughing up blood or to the point of vomit, that's when you need to head to the emergency room. A humidifier can help loosen mucus and help with the dry air caused by heat. And stay hydrated with water and soup to soothe your throat. And remember, other things can be causing that cough too.
Sometimes people have allergies that can cause a postnasal drip that can cause a chronic cough. And people, sometimes they have the acid reflux, but they don't take anything. That can also cause the chronic cough. So
yeah, everybody forgets about the allergies and the acid reflux, especially this time of year. Now, across the country, the CDC says doctor visits for respiratory illness have been above baseline for the last 3 months. Now, keep in mind, we're in the peak of the season, but it may be some time before we see things start to decline. And if possible, the weather is getting warmer a bit, so experts suggest if you can, open the windows, get some fresh air into the house. And especially if you think it might be allergies, change your sheets weekly, sweep with a filtered vacuum, try to keep the dust down, and wash your hands and cough in your elbow, guys.
Somebody can come take care of my children when all of this is happening. Thank you, Monica.
Sure.
We appreciate it. Great information.